So I'm John Marcolini, Senior Vice President of the Network Solutions Business Unit. I've been in the role since around July of 2020, and we've been on a mission to really embrace all different types of technology, specifically in the communication side, to bring value to the customers, no matter whether it's over a mesh network, over a public or private cellular network, however we deliver the use case, because that's what our customers care about. So what I'm excited about to see here at the show this week is really on how we take communications technologies and we bring all these different assets together. You heard a lot in the opening keynote around data and real-time data availability. So what we do in networks is make sure that the data can not only be processed at the edge, but make its way up into the back office so utilities can make more intelligent decisions on how they manage their grid. As we all know, weather events and a changing environment are driving huge challenges into managing the grid. So our role in networks is to make sure that we can continue to connect everything, take that high value data and bring it to the utility and make it operational to help them better manage their grid. What I'm excited about from a partnership perspective is how we are seeing the landscape on the cellular side start to play out. We have a lot of good partners all the way from the chipset manufacturers to the module manufacturers, all the way up to the infrastructure folks who are playing a role in our ecosystem, and how we actually come together as an industry and deliver the value to our utilities is going to be super important for the years to come. There's been a lot of movement behind private LTE over the course of the last few years, so our membership with UBBA and how we're engaging with those ecosystem partners is going to be truly monumental for the industry. So at the show, we're showcasing a couple different partners. We've been a longtime partner of Verizon. We've been doing a lot of work with them as we're exploring how to bring our electricity, gas, and water products over a cellular network to market. Of course, as we learned with mesh over the last 10 to 15 years, there's always lots of challenges as it relates to getting in and out of very difficult places like water pits, or think of Manhattan and inside of meter rooms that are buried below layers and layers of concrete. So how we use cellular technology, how we use mesh technology, how we bring those two worlds together becomes really important for delivering a resilient network to our customers. When I think about other partners, specifically on the Nokia side, we're actually demonstrating in our booth and also in their booth how our technology comes together. This is really specifically focused on the private LTE space. Again, great to have an industry leader as a partner, and I have high hopes for the relationship. For me, more intelligence, more possibilities is around how do we bring intelligence to the edge, and not only just in the form of electricity meters, but as we announced earlier in the week, our distributed intelligence network interface card is going to allow us to put that device inside of all different types of technology, whether it is an EV charger or a load control switch or cap bank controllers, reclosers. So we have this opportunity not only to just connect those assets, but now make them somewhat autonomous at the edge and make decisions on their own. So the more data we can glean from those devices, the more intelligent we can really operate the grid in this challenging environment. My key takeaway from the show is really about the partnerships that we've established and how those partnerships are going to be meaningful as we look forward. Organically as Itron, we're not going to be able to develop every single asset or every single piece of technology that this industry needs. So what's really important is that we have the right partnerships, the right business models, and the right customers to bring all those pieces together to really deliver on the vision that you heard in the keynote speech.